Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use HubSpot for time management in 2023 as a complete beginner. HubSpot is one of the best CRMs around and is the perfect tool for any small business owner. And I will be showing you how to manage your day-to-day tasks using this platform. And by the way, you can get started on HubSpot for completely free. All you have to do is go onto hubspot.com. Then you're going to tap on Get Started, and from here all you have to do is enter your email address and name and then create a password. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And what I want you to do next, at the top menu option, you're going to select Sales. Then you're going to tap on Tasks. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here you can see the top menu option. So all this will show all of your day-to-day tasks, and you'll see due today. You also will see overdue and upcoming, and you can also see add view, and you can also manage your views. So let's say for example you have a task that has been overdue. All you'll have to do is tap on overdue right here, and you'll be able to see the tasks. And if you only want to see the tasks that are due on that particular date or due today, you'll tap on due today. And by the way, you can also add a calendar. So let's say for example you have a Google or an Outlook calendar that you'd like to add. You can do that by going into settings, or you can tap on the arrow in the top right hand corner. Then from here you're going to tap on schedule, and then you will see the option connect your calendar, and here you connect your Google calendar or you can connect your Outlook calendar. But anyways, I'll show you more about that later, but you can connect an external calendar if you want. The next thing I want to show you about HubSpot is its numerous filters right here. You can also edit the filters, so that will edit the presentation right here. So you can see task status, and you can also see assigned if you were to tap on that. And you'll see due date right here. You can search for the tasks and the dates that they are due. Then you'll see task type. So for example, call, email, or to do. And you'll also see assignee, meaning the person that was assigned the task. Now to create a task, all you have to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and you can tap on import if you would like to import a task, or you can tap on create task. And you will also see the option manage queues right here to manage a queue if you want. But to create a task is quite straightforward. All you have to do is tap on create task. Then from here you will enter the title of the task. For example, make a video. Then you'll see type to do. Then you can select to do, call, or email. I'll leave it at to do. Then you'll add the priority right here, medium priority. Then you'll see associated with records. And from here, if you would like to add the company that is associated, you could add the company. If you would like to add the contacts that is associated, you could do that. You can also add the deals or tickets that is associated to this particular task. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down. Then you can select the contact that this task will be assigned to. So for this example, I'll assign it to myself. Or you could search for another worker or so on, or freelancer that you would like to assign the task to. Then you will scroll down and you will see queue. You can create a new queue by simply tapping on create new queue. And from here you can type in the queue. So let's say for example record. Then you'll tap on save. Then you'll see due date, and you can select when the task will be due, in 3 business days or 2 business days, as you can see right here. Or you can select a custom date. So for this example, I'll tap on tomorrow. Then you can change the time right there, and you can also set it on repeat if I had chosen a longer time. Then you can also select reminder right here if you would like to add a reminder. So let's say, for example, I add a reminder, and you can also add notes if you want. Once that's finished, you can either select create, or you can create and add another task. But for this example, I'll simply tap on create, and you can see that the task has been created. Now to view that particular task, all you'll have to do right at the top menu option right here, as I said, you'll see due today, you'll also see overdue. But to view an upcoming task, all you'll have to do is tap on upcoming. Then you can see the task right here. And by the way, if you want, you can tap on add view, and you could change the view as you can see right here, or you could create a new view if you want. So for example, you can see the task that I've created right here. If once the task has been completed, all I'll have to do right where you see status, I'll simply tap on it to tick it right here to mark it as complete. I can also edit the task if I would like to change anything. I can tap on edit, as you can see right here. Then from here you can edit any particular section of the task that you want. So let's say I want to change the due date, I could change that. Then I'll tap on save. And you can also change the assigned contact, you can change the associated company, or so on. Any changes you want to make, you can do that. And that's basically it. And that's how to use the task management. Again, you can add more tasks by simply tapping on create tasks. And as I said earlier, in the top right hand corner right here, you'll be able to see the insights, as you can see right here. So you'll see the activities, and you can also change the date range, and you can tap on feed right here, and you'll be able to see the contact activity feed, and you can select the particular filters that you'd want to use. And you can see right here, want to start seeing some real activity, start by selecting how you plan to send tracked emails, and you can select any one of these platforms, and you can quickly sign up, as you can see right there. And as I said earlier, to view schedule, all you'll have to do is simply add a calendar. You can connect any one of these calendars to HubSpot, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use HubSpot for task management. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Selecting how you plan to send tracked emails, and you can select any one of these platforms, and you can quickly sign up, as you can see right there.